Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Today I'm going to show you guys an updated version on how to safely purchase your own cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now the first thing that you want to be doing is you want to browse the web on a safe way. I highly suggest you get a VPN service such as Viper VPN. They provide a unlimited connection with select servers and of course a very safe encryption system. There's a link in the description down below, and if you click that link you'll get some extras on your order, and you can also start your own free trial. Alright guys, now once you have your Viper VPN enabled, you want to go to this website. It's called Coinbase.com. If you're not familiar with it, it's basically a website which gives you the opportunity to buy and sell digital currency on a very fast and reliable way. Currently I'm showing it on my desktop, but they also have an app on iPhone and Android where you can do the exact same thing except make an account. So that's why I'm doing it on desktop. Now up here it says sign up. You don't want to click on that because you want to use the link in the description down below. It's a link that I generated from my account, and if you use that link you basically get 10 euros or dollars depending on the country that you're in extra upon your first purchase of cryptocurrency. That's a nice little extra for both of us, and it will get you started by making some profit. Now once you've clicked the link in the description down below, you can sign up for your own account. They'll ask you for your first name, last name, email, and of course your password. It's pretty self-explanatory, and they'll also ask for your ID. I highly suggest you upload all three of your IDs, your password, your ID, and your driver's license. This will basically enable your maximum buy and sell limit. In case you get a nice extra profit, you can sell everything at once or buy everything at once. Okay, so once you've logged in and you've successfully created your account and verified all your identification forms, you get something like this. You get your charge from Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. Mine is in euros because I'm in Europe right now. Up here, there's the option buy and sell and accounts. Accounts is basically where all your cryptocurrency is stored, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And buy and sell is pretty self-explanatory. It just gives you the option to buy and sell. Now, before we're actually going to buy, I want you guys to go to your accounts. Alright, now once you're in accounts, there's the option right here, your Euro wallet. For me it's Euro, for you it might be dollar, again depending on the country that you're in. Here you can deposit and withdraw. If I want to purchase cryptocurrency, I need to deposit from my bank account. Coinbase can also let you use credit cards, but I don't suggest you use those because credit cards have a very low limit, meaning that you won't be able to buy a lot of cryptocurrency in order to make a nice profit. If you connect your bank account, such as IBAN or the US standard, you can transfer whatever amount of money you want into your Euro wallet by clicking on deposit. If you make profit and everything is deposited back into your Euro wallet from selling, let's say, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, then you can select withdraw and it will deposit all the money from your Euro wallet straight into your bank account without any problem. This is why I like Coinbase so much, because they give you the option to instantly withdraw all your money without any hassle. This way it's not stuck in the system and you'll have your profit. Alright, now once you're here, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin by using the payment method down below. Currently, I only have my Euro wallet because I don't link my credit card to this account. Now it's only 29 cents because I've already just purchased a lot of Ethereum. But basically, you can select your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. You want to select your payment method, which is Euro in my case, but it might be dollars in your case. And then here you can select how much euros you want to purchase. So I'm going to say, let's say 1,000 euros, which currently doesn't load, but it will give me right here the amount of Litecoin I will get for 1,000 euros, which is quite a lot at this moment. Then you want to buy Litecoin instantly, and there you go. It will be deposited in your Litecoin wallet after you've entered your amount and the method you want to use. Right here, there's the fee. I believe that Coinbase counts a 1.4% fee, which is really low compared to some of the other competitors. Your subtotal and your total. Once this has been bought, it will deposit in the accounts that we showed earlier. The same counts for sell. You just want to go over to sell. You want to select what you want to sell. Currently it's Bitcoin. And then once you sell your Bitcoin amount that you can select here, it will deposit back to your Euro wallet. You click sell Bitcoin instantly, and here there's the same thing. Bitcoin is sold, the amount will be sold, and it will be deposited in your Euro wallet. Again, if you want to withdraw all the money from your Euro wallet, you just go to your wallet and you click on withdraw and it will be sent back to the account that you have used before. Now, one more security feature on your account, which I highly recommend, is a authenticator. I believe Coinbase also recommends you this, but I just double recommend it that you use the Google Authenticator. It's a very simple app, but it secures your account very much so that every time you need to log in, you need that authenticator code. And of course, guys, use the Viper VPN to stay safe on the web so that you won't be hassled by any criminal activity or some form of that. So guys, that's basically it. A very quick video on how you can safely purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The reason why I use Coinbase is because it's fast, safe, and reliable, and there's no problem with withdrawing your profits and money. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe for more videos because I'll also be making a video on the newest Razer Blade laptop soon, which I got from Razer to review. If you have any questions regarding to cryptocurrency, let me know in the comments down below. I always try to respond to you guys as fast as possible with the latest tips and hits. Guys, I'll see you in the next one.